Richie Dotson again from Chateau Debris, aka my office, my shop. And what do we have here? We have a 1956 original 5-string RB100. These got fantastic wood on them. They were still using hot hide glue to assemble these things. Look at that pretty sunburst. This one has a tone ring installed. I don't know. It sounded so good we didn't take it apart. It is a good quality tone ring. I just don't know who made it. But this thing is a powerful, well-balanced banjo. And not at a pre-war price, but you're getting something pretty close here. Visit us on the web at banjomart.com or at acousticbox.com and take a look at the pictures. And we are going to have lots of high definition photographs up, description, price. Hit us up, and thank you for watching. If you like these videos, be sure and subscribe, like, leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And even if you're not shopping, love to have you back, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.